Shibanta ban penne pensa ya ke jingi tenat jong kamai mariang bat ya ke jinglong kerpang kapa pendon kam ban penlang daga karbon kapa wanra jing mentoi ya nongrap ke jela kapa deru ke project kepala sedang nadu sistem mensua naka lora ecological solution hapo ke jela kapa dega kenhun trimons ngubah hapo ke ru India rengkat ke jingi trilang bat ki lightly ki ADC kita ke KHADC GHADC bat GHADC nak liang unong mi khmat joka lora ecological solution uswapan mehra ka kharwei trik urumphang urwan man yu kejat hanong ba shilong mane kendu kerpang yu CM jonga KHADC uba penya sing CM halor ka senyang jonga KHADC jonga tega project melawan ra taka lora ecological solution habayo mane kren ba kilar pathai kubo nongmi khmat jonga lora ecological solution ubaderu chat person jonga kenhun uloong basyen naklen ka ecological kanla anwanra kumno bansna pisa dakwa pendon kam daga karbon kwa penmi ling bagi ding hagini ki banai banwan ba longru kasin ka banukong banwanra hagjula Meghalaya nakleng uba penya sing sim ulong baling ba ka jingdon kane kan hon kalawanra jingmentoi ki pajba ka jula khamta mi ki nongrap baling ba kane ka project kalayo ban hikai ki pajba nongrap e ka jingdon kam man penne pensa e ka jinglong kamei maryang
which is Delhi based, and we are working with the Meghalaya government, KHADC, JHADC, and Garo Hills Council on helping community and farmers in Meghalaya get the best value for their tree assets through carbon finance. So in this, we have a partnership with the largest agriculture bank in the world, Rabobank, with whom we are developing this program, and we are soon about to monetize their first carbon in the next 2-3 months. We have onboarded 19,000 hectares, about 9,000 farmers onto our digital platform, and our goal is to take this to 100,000 hectares. Our partnership with KHADC here is very critical, and KHADC under his leadership has been supporting this program for the very beginning. Last year, the Honorable Chief Minister launched this program, and then we had a workshop where he also attended. And KHADC has helped us connect with the communities, helped us brief the communities about the value of carbon and the importance of carbon and other such environmental finance, and has also offered to us that we partner with KHADC to leverage their nurseries, the forest department, as long as it benefits the farmers and communities and increases their income. So this is our partnership. Now we are also talking to other funders. One of them is the USDFC and so on and so forth, to actually invest in Meghalaya. And our goal is to work with the state government and the district councils to actually make Meghalaya the green economy hub of India. That is our key goal. So that is why I'm here, to just visit again and update him on the progress of our project, and then to express our interest to continue to work together in this direction. Just representative from US who works on international finance, who was also here, unfortunately could not make it to this meeting because she's unwell, who also wanted to mention and express interest in investing in this project. The US has a program to invest in environmental programs or programs that generate value through environment, and Meghalaya's program is now one of the programs that they're considering to invest in. So we will soon likely bring them. In addition to the Rabobank from Netherlands, now the US is also interested in investing in here, this program. Thank you.
Te ka kuman shu ai jimut no ngidon ka rirai no kata ka community land te ki rirai ki babun bha po rikasi ki dangdon nang ta ki don ru kini ki klau kur mo ki bri kur ru ki dang bun bha nang ta ki bri shimet nani ki kendo shimet but kam tam ru na kam ta kini ki nong rep ki bodan ki bri kwai ki bri so ba kiwe ba kini kin penne pensa ya ki ding so ya ki ding ki se ki ban long ka jing mentoi ha nakamenta kata ka baka kan yarap ya kamariang ban pendunai kini ka jing sneo jongka swing beneng kam tam ha ka be day but ka jing long kini ka global warming ha ka perthei bro ka we te ki babun ha ki companies ki ba lani ki kinhon treman subhan shabar jongka ri India ki pledging mut bha ni po Meghalaya nama hang ni po Meghalaya kadang day ke caka ke ba jerngam mo kata ka green hub kabangi kwa ban da kumno ru let's say ba ka me kreasa hisien ka jingjerngam ka jong ka jela ka jung ikan long ka jimentoi om tang ya ki pat apo jela henry nam ta ka north east bat nam ta ka perthei bro ko we te ka jing sultanat ka jongi ban pensnoi ki pat ba habedip kani program kalong ba lada ki pat ba kiri ki sumal ha ki thong ki ding kamut kan don jing mentoi ki om tang bangi yo kal air ka bakhu ki oxygen henry ngi diru yaka shabar ha kani ka benta te kani di ka jing tmu jong kani ka jing kendu jungi bat kani ka program ngila sedang nadu mentala shi snam tam bat mentas ngi sultanat inshallah wan lang I ba swapan napo Delhi ide chairperson jong ka era ringkat ba representative napo ka sarkar jong ka ri Amerika ibalong ru I clear jong ka ni ka international finance development finance te henry nakidau ba I jam jing stom no kensan bene ka sngi timla benda don lak te jungi ha ka ni ka sngi but I chairperson jong ka Ira kawin na ka kenhun tre mansubhan ni ka kenhun tre kam po kari India kibalai tre bat ni ka dis council la kumbashis nam tam ke ka jing tre ka jongi ka jing ade ka jongi bat ki ka long ba lingba jongki ngi yo ban penshai pai ba ngi yo ban pensu thu yaki nong rap ki jongi bat kumjur ki nong shong shnong ki jongi habede ba ka jing kongsan ban penne pensa e kamariang kamtam ya ka ba ki nong rap ki jongi kin yo jing mentoi nakan niki habede ba jing penne kamtam ki dieng ki sip ki ki benta te namar balai kadon kata ka program kumanshu ong no kata ka payment for ecosystem PS te kani kaya rap ha namantaban umdei shu ban ong ba ka jingedai ka jongi ban penshai ki pai ba ikinong rap baken pene pensa kemarang krem dan jing mentoi kamut mentaling ba ka jing tre jongi ba ka era but kham tam ru ngidang khmi lenti basa iwe I representative na po ka sarkar jong ka Amerika iba mi khmat ye kani ka international finance development iba kwa ban ye kendu bat ni nakamentaban wanra jing mentoi ya ka dis council kham tam ya ki pai ba nong rap ki jongi nama phidi ban su thu balai kadon ke jinga tre lang bat ni ba ka era bat ka state of government of Meghalaya kadau kalong ba kalan holding system hangne ki ba bon hi khndo ka siap bat ki wewe ki jing bat riti dustur